Hi everybody, you're back for another makeup video. In today's look, I'm going to be using the colors pink, purple, blue, and white. This look was not inspired by anything. It's just I like the colors blue and purple together. And I'm going to use the pink as a transition color and the white as a highlight, I guess. I don't know. So let's get started. So I'm going to tell you a quick story. So right now I have like a bump there and like a few here, like 2 here somewhere. So what had happened was I go to this free spa day at this place called Planet Beach or something like that. And I'm like, okay, free, spa, that's my kind of party, right? Wrong. Everything that's free is not good, okay? I get there and she said, oh, you're gonna have a little massage in the massage chair. There's this light. Now usually I don't let people just touch my skin because I have sensitive skin and my skin is dry and I have eczema. So I'm kind of weary about the things that I do to my face or my body. So I'm like, okay, since nobody's touching me, and just like some infrared light, I think she said. The light turned blue, red, white, purple, whatever. At first, when I left, I was like, oh, my body was hurting though. My body was like killing me afterwards. I guess because I'm not used to getting a massage. I used to get them, but I don't get them anymore. So my body was hurting. My face felt like a baby's ass. It was so soft, like, oh. And then like a few days later, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I don't get bumps. Ever. Like, ever. I don't know if it's supposed to get worse and then get good. Or I don't know what it is. I don't know what the fuck that shit was that I had done in my face. But never again, because your girl don't get bumps. I get patches, like my eczema patches. I don't get bumps. Homegirl's not happy about it. So if y'all see this little bump, just know it was for me sitting under a free damn light at a spa. Never again. Okay, anyway, let's get started. I hope you like today's look. And if you have any ideas or something that you want me to do, leave it down below and I'll do my best to make it happen. Let's get started. How do you guys think it looks so far? This is just the pink and the purple. And I'm going to go in with my P.Louise. And I think I'm going to cut the entire crease this time. I'm not going to do the wing because I've never done a wing before. And I'm terrified to do that. The little wing that goes like that. I'm not doing it because today is not the day to learn to do that. I'll do that on another video. But I'm just going to do my entire crease. Now I'm going back in with my box of crayons. I told y'all in the last video that my daughter got to my makeup. So you have to excuse the little spots on there. And she broke it. Look at this. I'm going in with this beautiful violet color right here. And I'm going to put that on my outer V. Okay, so I was going to do white here, but I just had a change of heart and I think I want to try yellow. I've done white many times. I want to do something a little different. I don't think I've ever used yellow here. I think I just used it here. So we're going to put yellow there. This is going to be a very colorful look. So I hope y'all like colors. So I'm going to use this yellow right here. and finish my eye makeup. So now I always take that same flat brush that I use for my eyebrows, and I basically just go clean this up because sometimes I do mess it up. And I'm just using my normal concealer to do that. So now I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl eyeliner. So I have this liquid highlighter that I got from Revolution London as well. I got it at the same time that I received my palette. And it's a weird name, I don't even know, but it's like a purple highlighter. So I don't know if I want to use it before or after or how that works. So I think I'm gonna put it on before and then put my foundation and see how I look, and then maybe put it again. I don't know. Let's just play with it and see. Opening it for the first time. Ooh, interesting. It's a really pretty color. It's like a lavender. So I guess you squeeze this. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. That is really pretty. It's definitely showing up almost white. So let's put that on, blend it in, and finish up. Okay, so now that I have my foundation on and my concealer on, I'm going to try to use this liquid highlighter again. I don't know how good you guys can see that. There's a little shine, a little highlight. Not what I was really expecting. Put a little there. Put a little more there. So it's like a soft highlighter. Not too dramatic, but it's still soft and beautiful. So now let's move on to a little blush. Just because we put on highlight don't mean we don't need the blush. So let's see what type of blush we're going to use today. What do I want to use? Well, since I put on the purple highlighter, let's try and use I guess this is like a bluish green, like an aqua. I've never used aqua blush. Like, that's so weird to me. This is by Wash Me Blush, the crayon case. I'm going to use this one right here, Outsider. I don't like it. I'm not a fan of that. Like, I don't know who came up with that, but I don't like it. But definitely not to wipe it off. So we're gonna just roll with it. I think I'm gonna use a purple lip. I like purple. So let's put a purple lip on and then a little bit of bronzer and we'll be finished. I'm gonna go in with my Sweet Tea from Wash Me Blush and I'm gonna use that as my bronzer. So that outsider color that I use for my blush, like I said before, I'm not feeling it. I feel like it makes my cheek look like a little green. So I won't be using that for that anymore. I'm probably going to use that for eyeshadow now on because I do not like how that came out. And of course, since I love purple, I'm going to do purple lips. And this is called Feelings. We'll be being all the time in our fucking feelings. So we're gonna use this. This is by CoverGirl, number 465, Feelings. It really is a beautiful color. So now I'm gonna go over my lips with this MAC lip glass. It's a little pink. I don't even know the color of it, but it's by MAC. I just want to give it a little gloss. That's really pretty. This is the final look. This blue, purple, pink, and yellow look. I like it. I love it. It's everything. So I'm going to leave everything in the description below. Every product that I use. I hope you enjoyed this look today. I'm about to record another video like right after this. I haven't forgotten about my hair stuff. I'm trying to order these tube dropper things, or whatever you call them, to put my hair stuff in that I made. So that's why I haven't done that hair video. But I'm about to record another video. So the very next video after this is going to be about my experience at Essence. I live in New Orleans and a lot of people didn't even know what Essence was until the movie Girl Trip. By the way, I was in that movie. I mean, a lot of the parts that I was in, they took off. That's a whole nother story. But I was in that movie. I was Regina Hall's hairstylist, and it was a great experience. I got to meet her. I got to meet Queen Latifah. I met Big Fine Chocolate Sexy, whatever his name is. I don't even know his name, but he plays Luke Cage, and he flirted with me the whole time. I wish he would have just said, let me take you out, let's go out, because I would have surely went because he's so fine. But anyway, my next video is going to be about Essence, and I'm going to be showing you some of the things that I got from Essence. That way you know what to expect if you decide you want to come. I got so many free things, it's ridiculous. Like this shirt that says My Black is Beautiful, for the free, nada. I didn't have to pay anything. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this particular video. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Anything that you want to know, comment below. Until next time, bye.